could run on your back.
Not quite. The back wheels still don't touch because the body's holding it up. Doop, doop, doo, 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 doo.
It's like handstanding.
Doop, doop, doop.
It looks kind of like me when sometimes I'll handstand on my back.
There we go. Now I'm really at vertical now.
Mm-hmm.
Now my wheels are perfectly in line with each other.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can keep on my back wheels for a little while. Nope.
That was pretty cool, though.
Here we go. Let's crawl it across the carpet.
I told you it would.
This is so silly.
Add that to the list of stupid crawler tricks you can do.
So it works. There you have it. Lucky Dog Mountain Girl.